This rooster is king of all he surveys. Fantail feathers declare his fertility, along with his harem of hens. But someone wants his crown. The king makes his displeasure known. But his enemy wants a mate, and he's prepared to fight. Neck feathers puff up to intimidate. But kings don't scare easy. Capercaillies pack a deadly peck. Battles can decapitate. Blows from their powerful wings echo around the forest. The warriors know that one slip could be fatal. They mustn't lose focus. But neither sees the next attack coming. Golden eagles dive at 200 miles per hour and strike with ruthless efficiency. These airborne assassins know no bounds, readily sinking their powerful talons into beasts twice their size. A capercaillie makes for an easy meal. The king's enemy has been dealt with, but he doesn't walk away. He confuses the golden eagle for a rival. The predator just wants to enjoy his meal. Fat chance. Oblivious to the eagle's power, the king tests his patience. A capercaillie will do anything to defend its terrain. The king pays the ultimate price. 2 roosters is more than 1 eagle can eat. The king is left to the flies.